We have vinegar somewhere upstairs. I don't know if we have baking soda.
It's an alcohol pack. It's burning. Good job. Alright, light the mortar. Light it.
We never lit it before. Why is there water?
Back up, back up.
Was it the chair you spit on yesterday or whatever?
I don't know.
Where'd it go? Oh my fucking god!
Aren't they sweet?
Don't want another one. I didn't know they go that high.
Dude, look at the tube. Look at the tube fell off. Dude, the tube fell off the freaking platform.
Whoa! That was so cool!
Dude, the tube fell off the platform. Even though it went straight up.
How much was this?
These are like $12 for a 6-pack.